Hey guys, welcome back. So if you are coming from watching that unboxing, thank you for coming back. So in this video I'm going to go ahead and do both of these right here. Okay, so like I said, I had a story about this unboxing, and if you're coming from another video and you don't know what's going on, go see that horror story of a nightmare. So this will be kind of 2 in 1. So one fun thing will be the cheapest thing at Louis Vuitton that I found. Okay, so we'll get more into that. But before I do that one, let me do this one. So while I was in the nightmare of dealing with this chaos over here, and I was there, my essay noticed my SLG, which was this item here, and I'll show you guys what it is. I'm going to list this back here, and you guys can already tell what it is by the sound of it. So it is a 6-key ring holder. I'm sorry, I love the smell of brand new Louis, you guys. It smells so good. So anyways, here is the item here. And I'll show you guys this part here. I don't know why it seems bigger to me than my old one, which is kind of funny. Hold on, let me see if I can get you guys, pictures so you guys can see. Sorry. Pictures of the damage. Oh, I do have one right here. Hopefully you guys can see it. Let me see if I can put my so I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see it because it's off my phone. Hopefully you guys will. No. I don't know if you're not going to let me show them. Oh, maybe it's too bright. Oh, there. If you can kind of see here, it was like bubbling. You see that? It was like bubbling and then peeling. And this thing is only 1.5 years. The one that I'm showing you right now. And even the button was really scratched up already. And I mean, I take really good care of my things, so it was kind of odd. But yeah, my main concern was that right there. So it literally almost made it seem like it was peeling, and sooner or later there was going to be no logo. Let's face it, there was going to be no logo on it. And so it kind of like, you know, worried me a little bit because, sorry guys, I was like, there it is. I knew that it was going to get worse over time, and I told my essay, I don't think this is normal wear, especially for one that's under 2 years old. So she took it and she goes, let me see what they say. So she took it to the back and she comes back and she's like, it's normal wear and tear. And I'm like, what? Ugh. But my essay is just that type of essay that goes above and beyond every single time. So she goes, don't worry about it. I'm going to make sure that they approve to get it swapped out. So I was like, thank you. And I gave her my old one and I said, here you go, have it, take it. And I got a brand new one. So I'm really excited about that. Especially because I am going car shopping on Saturday. So I'm actually putting it back in the dust bag. And I'm going to leave it. And I'm going to take it with me to the dealership and put my brand new keys in it. So I'm excited about that. Okay, So second thing I have here is this latest trend that I've seen, and I think it's hilarious. The in-store ones are funny. Obviously the online ones are just amusing. And it is the ones called "What is the cheapest thing at blah 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 blah." So there's a whole series and a bunch of people are doing them, and I think they're really funny because everyone is going to find different things, because some people go online and some people go into the boutiques and things like that. So I really enjoy them because I think they're hilarious. And so I wanted to take kind of like my own thing and see what I can find, and this is what I found here. So if you look online, which are not currently available, but if you do look online, the cheapest thing would be the ballpoint refills for $7. Second to that would be the 0.5 lead for the mechanical pencils that they have at $12 for the little packet. So after that $12, both items were not available, not in my boutique and not online. So I found this at another Louis Vuitton at the same mall that I shop at. So if you guys want to see what I found, hang on tight. I'm going to take off this ribbon here. And open it. Kind of snug. Oops. And it just fell out. Hold on. Okay, give me a second. Hey! Stop! Sorry. Nala! Stop. Come here. Stop. Sorry, guys. Okay, so it came in this right here. And it came nicely packaged, and I think I can just let it out. So you guys, the cheapest thing that I found at Louis Vuitton is this right here, and I will leave you guys that code right there just in case you guys actually want to find them. But it is Post-its. It is the Post-its here. So you guys can see that. And these go into your agenda, which is perfect. And there are little sticky notes, and they literally have the LV, the floor, the logo, and all that right there. So yeah, guys, that is the cheapest thing I found. These are $15, and yeah, I mean, I use sticky notes, so for me, I know they were going to be handy. So I wanted something that I was going to use. Now, I did put in an order online for Tiffany's, the cheapest thing I found on the Tiffany's website, and I put an order in for Chanel, the cheapest thing on the Chanel website. So when those come in, I will do an unboxing. I'm also going to be attending the Louis Vuitton fragrance party this Wednesday. So this Friday, I will actually be attending one of the reveal parties for the new fragrance, which I have already smelled and I pre-ordered. It smells amazing, and I cannot wait to get my hands on that bottle. And when I do, I will give you guys an unboxing, even though it's kind of about doing unboxing of fragrance, because you guys can't smell them. But I can give you guys the notes. I can read that information for you guys, tell you guys the pricing, how much it is, show you what the bottle looks like, and all that good stuff. So yeah, that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching my last story and rant and all that good stuff and all this stuff. And hopefully I will get better with videos in general, because like right now it's just got really dark and I don't have any lighting or any of that stuff. So hopefully one day I'll be like those famous glamorous YouTubers who have fancy backdrops and amazing lighting, but you guys are gonna have to stand by until I get all that stuff. Yeah, that is it. You guys have an amazing week, and I will see you on my next video, which will hopefully be that unboxing and footage, hopefully from the launch party. So that is it. You guys have a good week.